Jubilee Country Park, Autumn Digital Trail, Observation Post 8.
Dug in 2009 to improve the habitat for great crested newts, Ray's Pond has two problems. Firstly, people have dumped fish in it. Fish eat the eggs and young of great crested newts and toads which breed here. These are both endangered species. Secondly, an invasive plant called New Zealand pigmy weed has found its way into the pond. To kill the weed as much as possible, it is moved from the pond and covered with black plastic. When it's dead, it will be burnt. You can spread the weed by walking on it so the gate is kept locked. Take time to read the information board about pond life.
There are lots of different plants near the pond. At the pond end, there is common reed. This plant was traditionally to make thatched roofs. It's sometimes planted at pond end to take up pollution and protects ponds from contamination. Also nearby are elderberries, which start green and turn black as they ripen. We use them to make wine and jam. Years ago, small twigs of the elder were used to make whistles.
On the left of the path, in the scrub opposite the pond, is a sycamore tree. Its wood was used for butcher's blocks and breadboards because the wood does not flavour food. Search sycamore leaves for tar spot. This is fungus. It will not grow when air is polluted by high levels of sulfur dioxide, so its presence is a good sign for the environment. In the past few years, there have been several water birds around this pond. Mallards, coots, and egret. We saw a heron hunting for frogs and fish. Next is observation post 9. On your way, close to see Ray's Pond, look at the Scots pine with its orange bark. There are other pine trees along your right. See how many bat boxes you can find.